Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser settings. And in this video, I will show you how to enable auto live caption for video or any audio in Chrome browser without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and open up our Chrome browser. Like for instance, let's say for instance, I go ahead and I visit YouTube, youtube.com, youtube.com, and hit enter, and then I decide to watch one or two video, or I decide to listen to some of the video or some of the music in any website. I'm just using YouTube as an example right here, so I can go ahead and click on any video right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular video right here. So I'm going to click on the video.
I know you are tired of paying graphics designer to do simple graphics for you, and I know it can be very stressing and frustrating when you see a graphics of your choice on Canva and you just want to create something with it and improve.
Now, just like what you see right here, you can see.
I have a solution for you, a super clean solution. I'll be teaching you how to create Canva for free. This is so real, and please stay to the end of the video.
Just like so, you can see a live caption right here. So if I click on here, I see more detail. I can click on English, which is the language right here. I can decide to add another language right here. Now you found out that when I click on English, it automatically takes me to Chrome setting. So that's not where we are going. So I'm going to close this tab again. Now, how do you activate and enable this auto live caption for whether audio or video? So let's go ahead and click on the video bar.
If you are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by subscribing to this YouTube channel, because you're about to learn something new, something great.
So you can drag and you can see.
Love to watch. Please turn on the post notification. If
you can see, even if I'm not watching the video, I'm still having access to the auto live caption. Okay, just like so. So how do you enable this live caption to your Chrome browser, whether for audio or for video, as the case may be? So what you need to do right here is to come to your Chrome browser, three dots from the top right here. Go ahead and click on it. Then you want to make sure you scroll down all the way down to settings. Then from settings right here, you can see I still have the live captions right here, even when I'm still working. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to accessibility. Under the accessibility right here, make sure this is turned on. Okay, once you turn on this particular button, then you have to make sure you choose your language. So right here, my own is English language. That is why every auto or live caption here is in. You can decide to click on this three dots right here and remove the English language and click on add language right here. So when you click on add language, you see more languages right here. So at the time of making this video, these are available live caption language you can add into your Chrome browser. Let's, for instance, I want to check on this particular Spanish right here. So I'm going to take my live caption to the top and hit on add right here. Then I want to make sure I click on here and I remove English language. Then let's go back to the video and we'll play it. You can see it's been download Spanish language right here, and which is 100% completely download. Let's go ahead and play the video again. So I'm going to play from the beginning.
Can't go for that because it's in Pro, because you have to pay for it. All right, I have a solution for you. It's super clean.
Now, for switching to another different language entirely, you need to give the system a few minutes to generate the workflow. So I'm going to come back right here. There you can see Spanish as my default. So I can decide to remove it again and then go ahead and turn on live caption and add language right here. And then from the options right here, we're going to go back to the English and hit on add right here. Then it's has been successfully download right here. Let's go back to the video and you can play the video now.
Do this together.
So you have to give the system some time until it eventually generates the live caption, whether for audio or for video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Chrome settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.